Now this is how you can access Google passwords on the iPad. Let me explain it, and if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, you might try to look it up inside of the App Store, as a lot of people do, but well, it's simply not available on iPhones or iPad. So you can give it a try, but we don't have it as a dedicated app, even though it is available on Android devices. Right, but the point is that you can still access it, just not through the official app, but through the Google Chrome web browser. I'm pretty sure you have it already on your device, but if not, it's obviously a web browser you can get for free. And in there, you can open up the browser as usual, and when you click on the three dots somewhere in the top right, you should be able to scroll through the available menus, and you can see right there that Passwords Manager shows up for me as one of the buttons right there. So I can easily click on it and it moves me into the Passwords Manager, but actually I have to get inside with a passcode, and you can see that it kind of like shows me all of the codes and passwords I saved in this account. Keep in mind that it is attached to the Google account, right? So as you can see, I'm signed in with this one, and if you switch to a different one, then different passwords might be saved in a different account, obviously. But of course, if you go to the three dots and don't see the Passwords Manager right away, you can also go to the settings right there and find it in a similar manner. Like as you can see at the top, we have the account, which I was talking about, and also Password Manager is right there. So literally the same way to get it there, but yeah, the same thing is showing up. So I hope it helps. That's how you can find it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.